Hi, I'm mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout, and this is a video from the series called Bellyctionary. In this video I will talk about interesting folk dance styles. Let's start with the Ouled nail. This is a dance style of a tribe that lives in Ouled range in Algeria. Dancers are wearing huge blue scarves and rich jewelry made of silver and gold. This dance consists of many snake moves like belly rolls and snake arms. Nubian. This is a line folk dance from the Nubia, the legendary land from the area between Egypt and Sudan. Dancers are wearing a long galabeya and very long shawl on their heads and a rich jewelry. They can play bandir during the dance. Guedra. This is a folk dance style from the south part of Morocco, Algeria and Mauritania. Dancers are wearing blue galabeyas, long veils on their heads, rich jewelry, and their hands and faces are decorated with henna. Shows are in Bedouin tents on the carpets, and dancers most of the time are on their knees. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to know more about Oriental dance, music and culture, visit page bestbellydanceworkout.com, where you'll find Bellyctionary and where you can get access to my unique online belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program and 15 minutes workout. You can also join free subscription. Thank you and see you in next videos.